Hi everyone. In case our lifts get stuck, I mean the doors get jammed, we need not worry. If our family member gets stuck inside, we need not worry. What I would quickly demonstrate is what we can do in that situation. First thing we need to know is that this lift comes with an automatic rescue system. So in case ever the lift comes across any problem, the inside lift will come to the nearest floor and open on its own. That's the automatic rescue system. But sometimes what happens is, because of some power fluctuations or some battery discharge or something, which is very rare, the automatic rescue operation system might fail. If that fails and suppose the doors get jammed and or the power goes off and the family member is stuck inside, then this is what we need to do in order to rescue that member from the lift and bring that person out. First of all, maybe you can come in here. First of all, when the automatic rescue system fails, we need to switch off the main of the elevator from here. In this main board, the right side bottom switch is the one for the lift, which we need to turn off. Now, right now I'm not turning it off for this demo because the automatic rescue operation system of our lift is working. But remember, if that fails in that situation, first of all you need to switch this particular mains off and then go about opening the door of the lift. Now, how to open the door of the lift? So you always need to keep a scale of this length at least handy, about maybe 1.5 feet handy. Now, because this scale can be used to insert inside and open the door. So in order to open the door, somewhere here, just before this particular fold, we need to press the door inside, insert the scale up, push it up, and then with the other hand we can push the doors open, and it will open very easily. And wherever the lift is stuck, let's say lift is stuck halfway, so the member of our family can be rescued out of the lift. And if I leave the door, okay, it will close out. Now, point to remember that the door cannot be manually opened from inside. What that means is that, God forbid, if any of our family member is stuck inside, that member cannot open the door from outside. That person will need someone's help from outside to open the door. So it's advisable that if an adult is at home alone, okay, ideally don't travel by lift, or if you are traveling by lift, keep a phone handy. And because the intercom is not functional, so in case of emergency, just call the residents out. Someone will come in and help. And keep the scale at a very reachable place, so that if we have to guide someone from inside the lift, that person can bring out the scale and pick up from wherever it is. Okay.